Hey everyone, welcome back to channel Urban Rides Hub. Imagine waking up to breathtaking landscapes, fresh air, and the comfort of a luxury home on wheels. This is the Toyota luxury campervan, a perfect blend of innovation, style, and practicality for modern travelers. Toyota has redefined road travel by crafting a campervan that merges premium comfort with cutting-edge technology. Freedom, comfort, and adventure, all in one vehicle. The Toyota luxury campervan is more than just a way to travel, it's a way to live. Built on a reliable Toyota platform, this campervan offers a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, ensuring a smooth ride across any terrain. Toyota's advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, keep you protected on every journey. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the elegant craftsmanship. Plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and premium wood finishes create an inviting space for relaxation. The ergonomic captain's chairs are designed for long journeys, offering heating, cooling, and full recline features. Technology plays a key role in this campervan. A smart control panel allows you to manage lighting, temperature, and even water levels, all at your fingertips. Stay entertained with a high-definition media center, Wi-Fi connectivity, and multiple charging ports, ensuring you stay connected no matter where the road takes you. The kitchenette is compact yet fully equipped. With an induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink, and a spacious fridge, preparing meals on the road has never been easier. After a long day of adventure, transform the seating area into a comfortable bed with just a few adjustments. Whether you're camping in the woods or parked by the ocean, a restful night's sleep is guaranteed. The Toyota luxury campervan includes a full wet bath with a modern shower system and an eco-friendly toilet, offering the comforts of home on the go. Storage is never an issue. With thoughtfully placed compartments, you can easily store your gear, luggage, and outdoor essentials without cluttering your space. What are your thoughts on the Toyota luxury camper? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more stories of innovation and inclusion.